Want to change the color of your plastic accessories? We're going to show you how. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Dupli-Color TV. I'm Julie. Today we're going to be working on the accessories for this Jeep. Today, most Jeep accessories are plastic and we want to change the color of them. So we're going to use our Dupli-Color Premium Acrylic Enamel to change it up. You don't have to take these accessories off, but we're going to. So we're going to take these off, get them on the table, and I'll show you how well this works. Let's get started. So we have our accessories off, and we have some new accessories as well. So while with this product you don't need to prime, you do need to prep. So we want to make sure to get any residual dirt and grease off these old pieces, and anything from the manufacturer off the new piece. To clean these, we're going to use our Dupli-Color Grease and Wax Remover. So let's get cleaning. Okay, we're done cleaning with our Grease and Wax Remover. We want to start applying our paint with one light coat. Make sure when spraying Dupli-Color Premium Acrylic Enamel that you're in a well-ventilated area. Apply 2 light coats followed by 1 medium wet coat. Apply all coats within 2 hours, allowing 10 minutes between each coat. For additional coats after 2 hours, wait 48 hours for paint to cure. We've got our final coat on and these look great. We're going to let them dry about 2 hours and then we'll get them back on the Jeep. We've got our accessories on and everything looks great. This will last on plastic for years to come. If we decide you want to change up the color, we've got 15 colors to choose from. For more information about Dupli-Color Premium Acrylic Enamel or any of our other products, visit duplicolor.com.